Once you have knitted your poppy petals, trim any leftover tails. Attach your black yarn to the middle of the bottom of your first petal. Place petal 2 on top of the left half of petal 1 and join together with a running stitch. Repeat for the third petal and continue with your running stitch. Now you should be ready to add your final petal. Attach the fourth petal to the middle of your first petal. Bend your knit around to complete the pattern and stitch your poppy together. Now let's fill the space in the middle with our pom-pom. Take 20 centimeters of black wool and wrap around the middle prong of a fork. Then take the rest of the wool and weave around the fork 10 times. Take the piece of wool from the first step and tie it firmly around the wound piece. Now slide it off of the fork and ensure it's pulled together firmly. Now cut the ends of each loop to create the pom-pom. Place your finished pom-pom in the centre of your poppy and secure in place. You should have now knitted your poppy. Please ensure you drop your poppies off to your local library before Tuesday the 1st of November.